Now, I know what you're thinking. This channel's all about the Fury. It's what put me on the map, and I have to disagree with that. It's not always about the Honda Fury. It's about my original OG Honda Shadow Ace, the 750, the original motorcycle that brought me to the dance that is my YouTube channel. And to this day, a question I still get asked is, are Ape Hangers comfortable on the Honda Shadow 750? Is that bike too small for Ape Hangers, anything past 10 to 12 inches? Well, I am here to answer that question today. So you might be thinking to yourself, well, I don't know if I fit Ape Hangers. Now, that is a valuable question to ask. Now, Ape Hangers isn't everybody's cup of tea. Now, I personally like Ape Hangers. I like how they control. It is something to get used to. It is a little different from something like the Fury where it's more down low. Now, you have to ask yourself, am I going to like them? Well, you only know unless you try. Only you know how you feel on your motorcycle. Sounds like kind of a cheesy answer or whatnot, but it's the best answer because I didn't really know how Ape Hangers were going to feel. All I know is that I loved the look of them, and thankfully I love the feel of them. I'm only 5'8". I'm not really a big dude. This isn't really a big motorcycle. It's not all stretched out like my Fury, but the 12-inch Ape Hangers on here are very comfortable. Now, one of my riding crew brothers, he's got a Phantom 750, a 2016, and I am trying desperately to convince him to do a Ape Hanger mod, a 12-inch or a 10-inch or something, because he's about my size, just a little more stockier. And he says to me, man, I don't really have the experience with wiring or how to run them, you know. But the great thing about that is I can now tell him, and I can also tell you guys, that I proudly announced the opening of www.esotericmotorcycleparts.com. And now you might be thinking to yourself, well, what the hell does that mean? And what that means is that you are now able to buy your own set of cable extension harnesses, wire extension harnesses that are plug and play into your Honda Shadow. That's right, not just specifically the 750 Ace, but all the way up to 2024 Honda Shadow Phantoms, Arrows, Aces, Spirits, the VLX 600s. I mostly am focusing on the kill switch side right now. Those are a lot easier and more available to make right now. But the great thing is that I also, at least for the 750 Shadow, is that I do have some turn signal wire extension harnesses that are available as well, but those are going to be probably build to order. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. I don't have much on the shop right now as far as quantity wise, but I do have a diverse selection. So once the orders start rolling in, you'll be seeing more products. And the great thing is that it's plug and play. All you got to do is take off your front headlight, unplug the kill switch, plug in the extension harness, bam, there you go, done deal. No cut, no splice, no wiring, soldering, nothing, shrink wrapping, you name it, needed, plug, play, go. And it's great. That's the great thing about it. I'm proud that I'm able to make those for you guys and kind of assist to the Honda Fury modding, the Honda Shadow modding community. It's like muscle memory to say Honda Fury. But anyway, definitely check out esotericmotorcycleparts.com. The link will be in the description down below for you guys to get your own harness, to get you rocking and rolling on your Honda, I was going to say it again, on your Honda Shadow Ape Hanger mod today. But to answer the original question of, are they comfortable? Yes, they're absolutely comfortable. I'm not really a big guy. The Honda Shadow isn't really a big bike, but I believe around the 14 to 16 range would be a little more comfortable, depending if you're a bigger person. But the 12s for someone my size is absolutely perfect. My arms are at a bit of a bend. I'm at a very nice posture. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. It feels great on this bike. It was actually rather easy. You can go to meancycles.com to get the push-pull cable extensions, the brake lines extensions, and I eventually plan to make a tutorial on how to install Ape Hangers on a Honda Shadow 750. But I believe once another Honda Shadow comes into the picture, which I'm hoping is sometime soon, I could be wrong, it'll happen. It'll happen. You guys will see that video. But for right now, the expenses are a little too much for me right now. I'm still kind of recovering from the Harley Davidson, which I did a similar mod to, 12-inch Ape Hangers, which I based off of this motorcycle. It was a good time. It was a comfortable fit. I know that 12-inch Ape Hangers are it for me. They're it. And that's kind of the reason why I don't have a face cam going on right now, because even though I am doing a moto vlog for the first time in about 3 years on this motorcycle, it is kind of wanted to kick it old school. No face cam. You can just see the Ape Hangers Hangers. You can see the twists and turns, all that. I ain't got to cut back to my helmet face and all that jazz. You guys can just see, squirrel, you almost got smoked.
Get the fuck out of my life, bitch!
Anyway, the girl's just trying to get a nut. Get it? Get it? Anyway. Okay, anyway. So, yeah, I just want you guys to feel a little nostalgia. This is a bike that brought me to the dance here. This is the nostalgia bike. This is the old reliable. I got my Fury all winterized up right now. I'm just cruising the streets I used to on this 60-degree day in December. So yeah, that's the funny part. You know what's great? I just did a complete circle. That is hilarious. Anyway, yeah, from where I started. Oh, that's funny. You think I would actually roam these streets before, right? Everybody's gonna have a different opinion on Ape Hangers. Some people don't like how they control. Some people do not like how they feel. Some people don't like how they look. But as always, hey, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Make your motorcycle your motorcycle. If you want to install 20-inch Ape Hangers that's literally pointing up to the sky, then hell, you do that. You have a grand old time with it. But all I know is that 12-inch Ape Hangers, they're it for me. 14s, they're pushing it, not as comfortable, but at least on the Shadow, 12s are it. Now, links will be in the description down below. Check out my old video on tips and tricks on how I installed these. If you guys actually want me to make an updated video, and maybe even a video tutorial, which I really don't think is needed, to be 100% honest, since it's plug and play, you can't miss it. It's only one plug in the headlamp. How to install one of the harness extensions, then by all means, please leave a like or a comment on the video saying, hey, yeah, we'd like that, and I'll be glad to. I will be glad to. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time making it. It feels great to be back on this motorcycle, but it's gonna feel even better to be back on the Fury next season. So if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Be sure to follow the Instagram at Esoteric Rider, where I post pictures and videos of my Honda Fury and this fine specimen of a motorcycle that is my 2001 Honda Shadow Ace. There's something you haven't heard in quite a long time, right? If you guys enjoyed, I thank you guys for watching. Check out esotericmotorcycleparts.com for your wire extension harnesses, motorcycle parts, and motorcycle USB charging ports, USB-C charging ports that are compatible with any motorcycle. And be sure to support your local veteran, and as always, be safe and ride free. Peace out.